Hello, and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, this video is about my chair in my office needing to be replaced. As you can see, the wooden sides are coming through the leather, which has cut my leg a couple times. But I love this chair. It's soft, it's comfortable, and it reclines, and it's just real big and hugging, and it makes working from there every day really comfortable. But that wood there on both sides is intolerable. So I'm going to put together a chair and replace this. Originally, 6 years ago, I purchased this chair for Amazon. So I looked and tried to find another chair equivalent to this one. Couldn't find one. So this is the chair I ordered. And it took me about 45 minutes to put it together with the help of Lola and Maddie just coming in and watching me and keeping me company. Easy to put together, very easy to put together. So enjoy this video and tell me what you think of the chair once I get it completed. And as you continue to watch this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments if you like this new chair versus the older chair. And I will leave a comment identifying the product code from Amazon for this chair, and it came in multiple colors as well. Final step is putting this chair on the base. It's done. I love it. The only thing I'm scared about is the previous one was leather and this one is cloth. And as usual, thank you so much for watching.